Have you ever looked up at the night sky and wondered why the moon seems to play dress up, changing its shape night after night? Well, get ready for a fun journey as we unravel this cosmic mystery. The moon's shape-shifting show is actually a brilliant display of lights and shadows in space. Let's break it down in a way that's super easy to understand. First things first, the moon doesn't actually change shape at all. What we're seeing is different amounts of the moon's sunlit surface as it orbits around Earth. Think of it like this. Imagine the moon is a big white ball and the sun is a giant spotlight. As the moon travels around Earth, the spotlight always lights up half of the moon. But from where we stand on Earth, we can only see certain parts of this lit up side. This is what creates those fascinating phases we see. When the moon is between Earth and the sun, we can't see the lit up side at all. This is what we call the new moon. As the moon moves along its orbit, we start to see a tiny sliver of the sunlit surface. This creates that beautiful crescent shape we often see in the early evening or early morning sky. Keep watching as the moon continues its journey, and you'll see it grow into what we call a quarter moon, where half of what we can see is lit up. The moon doesn't stop there. It keeps moving until we can see more and more of its sunlit surface, creating what we call a gibbous moon. Finally, when the moon is on the opposite side of Earth from the sun, we see the entire sunlit face. This is our magnificent full moon. But the show isn't over yet. The moon then begins to appear to shrink as we see less and less of its sunlit surface, going through the phases in reverse until we're back to the new moon. This whole cycle, from one new moon to the next, takes about 29.5 days. That's why we see a complete set of moon phases about once a month. Here's a cool fact. The moon is always half lit by the sun, even during a new moon. We just can't see the lit part from Earth during this phase. It's like having a friend stand in front of a spotlight. You won't see the light on them, but their back is still brightly lit. Understanding moon phases isn't just about science. It's about connecting with something that humans have watched and wondered about for thousands of years. Next time you look up at the night sky, you'll know exactly why our cosmic companion appears to change shape. You're now part of a long line of sky watchers who have unlocked the secrets of the moon's magical transformation. Remember, the moon isn't actually changing. It's just showing us different views of its sunlit face as it dances through space. Keep watching the skies and you'll start to predict what phase is coming next.